Oh, that was so close. Someone said heavy. Evangelion. Neon Genesis. That used to be a sick anime when I was younger. Dragon Ball Z music. Oh yeah. See ya. Oh my god. Bastard. Metal Gear Rising music. Fair enough. There we go. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? No! What did I do? Oh. Indeed. All that time getting there. Wrecked. Lol rip. Oh shit. What did I do? Oh my god. Damn, Sammy, get some glasses. I do have glasses, I'm just not wearing them. Ooh. Oh shit. Get off. Off you go. Oh no! Ay, ay, ay. Nearly 700. It's climbing. Oh my god. You know you can just walk down without going through the cathedral to activate the lift lever? No. I had no idea. I'll just die. You were better with Embraced set. Okay. I just died for no reason but Embraced set? Rip. Embraced. I have no idea what Embrace set is. Cheating. Cheating. Oh shit. Favor set, the golden one. Oh, okay. Thank you. I was doing pretty good in this set though. Pimp is summon the what? Hammer time? Oh crap. I don't see no lever. Zap him across the face. Fashion Soul's alright, indeed. Okay, you can't jump over that. You guys way too salty. So, how the fuck do you get down there? I live off salt. What, can I jump there? Why doesn't that jump? I got to the boss. I sat at the bonfire before the boss, and yet it didn't save. I honestly have no idea what is happening. Oh shit. Bro Magadon, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the pain train. Much appreciated. Get out of my way. Where is this lever? Oh crap! I thought I seen it then. That sucks. The turkey eater. How's it going, man? Welcome. Captain Chain. How's it going, man? Welcome. I am so lost and confused, and yeah, it's my first playthrough. Completely blind. I have no idea what I'm doing, as you can tell. I honestly don't think I could fake a blind run, because to me, if I was watching this, I'd be cringing. Pretty much. Where is this lever? We feed from his frustration in here. Join us. Yes, please, hot and cold, please. Please. I beg of thee. It's crazy how so many people know this game, like inside and out. I cannot believe it. There are so many people that know this game. Okay, cold. Hotter. Okay. Hot and cold to the lever. Yes. Oh shit. Wait. Try jumping off. I've tried it. It does not work. It's a lie. Do not listen to it. Help or else we'll be here next year. Yeah. Colder? Okay, I'm cold. Yes. Nice view. Sort of. Warm. Soul Kicker, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the pain train. Much appreciated. Warm. I've already been around here, I don't know how many times now. Where are we taking him? Cold? Okay, warm. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm hot standing here. Hello, fellow Dark Soulians. Good luck on your vigorous